thank you for tuning in today on Ozark Adventures and Reviews. Today we are here at our campsite. We just got here, getting ready to go do a hike before it gets dark. We are located in the Ozark National Forest, and there is a hidden waterfall about 1.5 miles that way. And I want to get to it before it gets dark so we can get back here, set up the tent. Come along with us on this adventure. Alright guys, we finally made it to the trailhead. It's right up there. Sorry I'm a little out of breath. Just climbed about 700 feet, over a half mile. I'll keep you posted as we go. Wow. Look at that. Thanks for staying with me here on this adventure. I'm glad we turned back. It's starting to lose the light, and I'm hearing claps of thunder in the background. Let's get back to the campsite, get it set up, and I'll bring you back then unless I find something cool. I think there's Bigfoot in these woods. Look at that. I'm telling you, there's signs of Bigfoot. Oh, get out of it. Look at that, Bigfoot. It's Bigfoot's footprint. Thank you for sticking with me on this adventure. If you believe that was Bigfoot that I found, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how you feel about Bigfoot. Again, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on our next adventure.